Hello students, this video is for grade LKG. So let us start. In this sheet we have three different parts in which we will get to know about three different subjects which are English, Maths and EVS. So let us start with our first subject which is of English. The question is write 5 words from the family of at and ig. Okay, so in this you have to make five words. Okay, five words आपको write करने हैं जिसमें कि at और igi आए. Okay, understood? at like pat pat, mat mat, cat cat, fat fat. Okay, in this way you have to make the words जिसमें आपका टी एट. ओके, ये वर्ड, ये दोनों वर्ड है. आई जी है, पी आई जी पिग, एफ आई जी फिग, डी आई जी डिग. इन दिस वे यू हैव टू मेक फाइव वर्ड्स फ्रॉम बोथ द लेटर्स. ओके, दोनों ही लेटर से आपको फाइव वर्ड्स बनाना है. ए टी एट आई जी. ओके, या सो लेट्स रिवाइज alphabets from A to Z with one word. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for owl, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sheep, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yacht. So we have read A to Z with words. Let's move to our next question, which is of maths. Write number names for below numbers. यहाँ पे आपको number names fill करना है. You have to fill the number names. 22. So you will write T W E N T Y. 20. T W O 2. 22. Next is 25. T W E N T Y. 20. F I V E 5. Understood? In this way you will write all the number names for given numbers. यहाँ जो भी नंबर्स दिए हैं इनके आपके क्या करने हैं, आपको नंबर नेम्स राइट करना है. यू विल राइट दी स्पेलिंग्स ऑफ दीज नंबर नेम्स. नाउ सी द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ मैथ्स. राइट मिसिंग नंबर. मिसिंग नंबर राइट करना है, काउंटिंग को कंप्लीट करना है. लाइक 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Understood? Yeah. So let's revise counting from 1 to 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So we have read counting 1 to 50. Let's move to our last section, which is of emails. The question is, help Surya to reach till flower. Okay, यहाँ पे एक maze दिया हुआ है. You have to cross this maze by drawing line. आपको line draw करके इस maze को cross करना है और सूर्या को flower तक पहुंचाना है. I hope you will be able to do this. So, I hope you all have understood this sheet very well. If you still have any kind of doubt related to any question, any topic, any subject, you can ask me. Thank you.